the most successful predator on Earth. The very thing that we've been taught to fear. A virus.
That kills bacteria? Introducing bacteriophages, nature's natural bacteria killers. They are among the most common and diverse entities on the planet. Found inside animals, oceans, sewers, and even a cup of water. So how does it work? Let's take a closer look.
The bacteriophage has two main parts, the head and the tail. The capsid head acts as a spaceship, protecting the mission instructions carried by the DNA or RNA crew. The tail of the phage acts as its landing gear injection system. Like a key fitting a lock, uniquely shaped proteins on the tail fibers recognize and bind to complementary receptors on the bacterial cell surface.
This binding triggers a shape change in this base plate, causing the tail sheath to contract violently. The force drives the inner tail tube through the bacterial cell wall and membrane, piercing it like a doctor's unstoppable needle.
From there, most phages will enter the lytic cycle. The phage DNA immediately takes over the cell's machinery to replicate its own genetic material and make new viral proteins. Once there are enough phages made, it directs the production of endolysin, an enzyme that breaks down the bacteria's cell wall. As you can imagine, this causes the cell to... But what can phages do for us? Well, our modern world relies on antibiotics, and day by day, superbugs are becoming a bigger and bigger issue. With each use of an antibiotic, the weaker bacteria die and the more resistant ones survive. Over generations, these bacteria can evolve into superbugs, which are extremely resistant to our most commonly used antibiotics. Fortunately, these bacteria are not resistant to phages. Phages can evolve, so as their prey evolve, so do they. Because of this, they are an amazing, ever-evolving weapon for us to use against the superbugs.